All right, my growth mindset, math side, maniac, Panthers. Let's do this. The ratio of boys to girls in Mr. Boone's class is 3 to 2. So let's find out if he has 30 students. How many of those 30 are boys? How many of those 30 are girls? Let's color code this. Boys, let's color code you blue. Blue, there you go. So if you have 3 boys, boom, let's do green with our 2. Green 2. So the little our little colon, not something else. A colon is 2. I like to say 3 2, just so you don't get too confused, because if you say 3 2 2, it might be confusing. So sometimes I like 3 to 2. So we're going to do red for girls. Red for girls to 2. But we have a total of, see, if we had 3 boys, and this fraction, see, this fraction form comes in so handy to help us figure this problem out, because it's not a fraction, but they behave like fractions. Those ratios help us when they behave like fractions. We use that to our advantage. Let's do this. So we're going to put 2 down here. That's a total of how many students? If we have 3 boys and 2 girls, the total of students in Mr. Boone's class right now would be 5. 3 girls, 2 boys, 5. So we're going to do a purple for 5. We're going to put that 5 right down here. That's the total so far. But we don't have 5. How many do we have? We have 30. See how I wrote that way over here to the right, lower right-hand side? 30 students. So we need to figure out, okay, well, how many of those 30 are boys and girls? Well, we have 5. So let's kind of double it for a second here. But by double, we're going to add whatever's on the top by itself. You know. So let's go like this. Let's go here. Let's do add 2 to the top. Add 3. So we would have 6 boys and 4 girls, which is a total of 10. But we don't want 10, we get to 30. So what do we do here? Oh, how do I know I have 4, by the way? Because I just added whatever number it was and doubled it, so I added 2. So we're going to keep following this pattern. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's do it again. Add 3 again. Plus 3 here. But at the bottom, we're going to add 2. Add 2 here. And that gives us, if we have 9 boys, how many girls would we have? 4, 5, 6. 6 girls. Let's do it again. Oh, wait a minute. What's our total, by the way, at this point? 9 plus 6? 15. All right, but we got to get 30. Some of you probably think, oh, can't you just multiply everything by 2? Multiply 6 by 2 and get it, and then 9 by 2? You're right, but let's just go with the steps here for a moment. We'll get to that in a second. So we're going to add 3 again. Add 3 to the top. If we add 3 to the top, since the ratio is 3 to 2, we have to add 2 to the bottom. 11, 12. 12 on the top. If we have 12 boys, how many girls would we have? 8. 8 girls. What's our total now? Ooh, 20. If we do it, so this total is 12 boys, 8 girls, 20. Let's try it again. If we add 3 to the top, we have to add 2 to the bottom because it's a ratio of 3 to 2. 12 plus 3 is 15. If we have 15 boys, how many girls would we have? It should always be green. Green, green, green means 2. Green means 2. Green means 2. 15 boys, 2. If we add 8, 10. Ooh, that's 25. Wow, I think we're getting really close here. I think the next one might do it because we just kind of skipped 30, so we're not there yet. 30 is going to be over here. Hopefully it's next. Let's find out. Let's add 3 to the top. And add 2 to the bottom. It's a ratio of 3 to 2. 15, 16, 17, 18 on the top. 18 boys. If we have 18 boys, how many girls will we have? Ooh, this is coming together so nicely. Oh, yes, there it is. 12. What's 18 plus 12? Yeah, you know it is. It's 30. There it is. 18 boys, 12 girls. Now back to me here when you were saying, couldn't we just multiply here by everything by, when we said 15 by 2 to get 30? Yes, you can. You could even do it ahead of time. What about here? You could say, multiply everything here by 3 to get 30. Why don't we just start from the very beginning? Multiply everything here by 5. What do we multiply 5 by to get 30? 5. Let's do that. See? 5 times something equals 30. And that magic number is going to be 6. So if we want to get out of 30 people, we just multiply this by 6 to get 30 total. If we multiply this by 6, let's multiply this by 6. What's 2 times 6? That gives us 12. And then what's 3 times 6? That gives us 18. That's a shortcut to here, 18 or 12. That's a beautiful thing when it works. I love when a plan comes together. Okay, a little quick song for you. Once upon a time, there lived an origin. 0, 0, that's where we began. 0, 0. Start here at the origin. Get another color. Pop. Pop with red. Once upon a time, there lived an origin. 0, 0, that's where we began. Just two little motions take us to the end. Horizontal, vertical. That's X and Y, my friend. First comes X, side to side. You might go left, you might go right. So let's do that X. Let's do blue. Blue will be Y. Well, not the best line ever. X will be red. Well, not the best line ever. It'll work. And let's go side to side. Our time is going to be our X value. See, time is X. And then we'll go up and down. Let's sing the rest of my song in a second here. That's the Y value, see? Time, distance is Y. So first we're gonna go represent our time by going left to right. So it says here, we're gonna go 1. So here's 1, because this is 2. This would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So we go 1 to the right. This means 1 to the right. Now if we're negative, we go to the left. So once upon a time, there lived an origin. 0, 0, that's where we began. Just two little motions and get us to the end. Horizontal, vertical, that's X and Y, my friend. First comes X, side to side. You might go left and you might go right. Then comes Y, up and down, up toward the sky or below the ground. Like up toward the sky or below the ground. So, up and down. This tells us we're going to go up or down. Since it's positive, we're going to go up. If this were negative, we go down. Positive 4 means go up. So let's go up 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where we're going to end up, right here. That's where that plot is. Let's do it again. Start at the origin. Here, let's pick a pop color like orange pop, I think. No, this color will pop. Good enough. Okay, so 2 means we go 2 to the right. 1, 2. And 8 means we go up. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's where that point is. Once upon a time, there lived an origin. 0, 0, that's where we began. Just two little motions get us to the end. X and Y. Horizontal, vertical, that's X and Y, my friend. First comes X, side to side. So this is our side to side number. So which side to side? We're going to go to the side, to the right, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then comes Y, up and down, up toward the sky, down below the ground. We're going to go 12 up toward the sky because it's positive. If we're negative, we'd be going down below the ground. Then let's do 4. 2, 3, 4 to the right. This is our side to side motions. These are our up and down motions. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. We're going to go 16 up. Yeah, we're 16. 16's here somewhere. We're going to go up. Whoops. Right there. Another good one. All right. See you later, Panthers. Peace, pride, passion, purpose.